2, 1, go!
And here we go for this match. Starting off in auto, we have 4 robots rushing the center of the field, trying to grab as many pieces of fuel as they can to take away from their opponent's options. On the Blue Alliance side, Terabytes is lining up, throwing some fuel in for the Blue Alliance. On the Red Alliance, a huge amount of fuel flying through the air as the whole Alliance works together along with their human players to try and get as many points as possible. And it's paid off. Red are in the lead, going into teleop now, but Blue has plenty of time to bring this back. Starting off strong, Terabytes firing a volley of fuel into their hub for the Blue Alliance. Looks like Triple Strange is firing up a few final pieces of fuel and lining up their turret to try and get that scoring started. They're being fed a bunch of fuel by their alliance partners, RJ Cyber Demons. They're in the middle of the field, scooping up the fuel and feeding it to their alliance partners. A great example of teamwork. They haven't got much time left on their hub being active, though. Terabytes going for one last volley as the hub blinks into inactivity. On the Red Alliance side now, 2 of the robots lining up in tandem. We have Darkside and Yeti firing in sync together, getting as many points as possible. It looks like Robotics has just jumped to life as well. They have some pieces of fuel preloaded, but they're going to go and try and get some more from the midfield. Another stream of fuel there from Yeti on the Red Alliance. Darkside also coming back around as their hub blinks into. And on the Blue Alliance side, their hub comes active with a stream of activity. Terabytes and Triple Strange working in tandem, being fed that fuel from RJR Cyber Demons. It's a great synergy they've got over here. Will it be enough to top Red score? They're in the lead right now, but we have a whole minute of play left. Terabytes are back over, trying to get their hopper full of fuel. It looks like Triple Strange is trying to do the same, maybe trying to move their mechanism around. But it's the Red Alliance's turn once more. We can see Yeti firing an array of fuel into their hub. Darkside's looking like they're about to start doing the same as Yeti refuels. Robcobots in the center of the field there, looking like they're going to try and play some defense. It also looks like Triple Strange has paid a visit to the Red Alliance side. They're getting in the way of Yeti, forcing them to work around them as they try and line up for those shots. That's going to make things harder for them. But the Red Alliance are still firmly in the lead at this point. Back on the Blue Alliance side, Triple Strange and Terabytes both trying to get as much fuel as possible into the air to see if they can match the score. They've only got about 20 seconds left to do so, though, so it's looking like it's going to be all or nothing for them. Trying to grab as many pieces as they can. Only 10 seconds remaining. Yeti has one more go of things for the Red Alliance. Looks like Triple Strange having a few more pieces over for the Blue Alliance, too. A very high-scoring match for both teams. Results are in. The Red Alliance wins with 169 points to Blue's 117. Both alliances have earned a ranking point for energizing their hubs, and the Red Alliance earns their 3 ranking points for the win.